I'm at the second floor of Beachwalk number 4. As you can see, you've got a wonderful pool view and a view of everything going on downstairs. And I can see the waves crashing from here. It's kind of hard to see on video, but the waves are crashing pretty good over at the beach. And this is the balcony. And I'm going to show you the inside of the unit. And these, anyhow, we mounted our TV just like that because it maximizes the space up here. Fred did that. And there's a beautiful painting. I love that. And Fred and them tiled every bit of the upstairs. And it is a tile that matches the downstairs, but it was maybe the exact same tile. Anyhow, I don't know if that's pull out or not. Let me look. But this is I call it the upstairs den, but this is the upstairs living area. Okay, I just checked the pull-out couch. That is a sleeper sofa. I am going to put myself at the top of the stairs. As you can see, the stairs going down. Got the oak, and it's all pretty and shiny, and pretty decorations. All the rooms have the crown molding everywhere. Then I'm gonna go down the hall. One thing I loved about Beachwalk is we have room for a full size, it's right here, but I'm gonna show you the desk area that Fred put into the hall of the upstairs. Then I want to show you the full-size washer dryer. This is, I mean, it is so nice to be at the beach and still have full-size washer dryer. There's plenty of storage space, and I just want to show you how the full washer dryer, okay, in the hall. Very convenient. This is just like the one I live in. And that's the Secure Vision box back there. All the cable, all the internet is all with Secure Vision. We really took us a while to decide to do that as a HOA. It took us about 3 years to make that decision, but it has been worth it. It looks like, I think it's a queen size bed up here. I have a king in mine, so you can put a king. Anyhow, I'm gonna go to the other side of the room before I show you the view. And 2 closets, and insert a chest of drawers. And then I'm going around to show you the view. And you step out and there is the beach. And this is, there's the beach right there. You can also see Lake Shelby. That's Lake Shelby back there. My neighbor Bonnie, when I couldn't find her and I knew she was home, she was sitting right here reading a book and enjoying the view. It's got the hurricane shutters. That's the hurricane shutters right there. And then here's a view of the bedroom. And that's a closet, and then the door to the bathroom. And then looking down the hall and the bedroom and the beautiful pictures. It's a very pretty unit, and all the ceilings are the flat ceilings, the scraped ceilings, not popcorn, freshly painted. Anyhow, it's a very pretty unit.